All right, today I am going to put on a tempered glass protection on my Ford Explorer ST's 13.2 inch display screen. This is the one I bought. I'm going to open it up, show you what all comes in it, and then I'm going to show you the installation. So let's get into it. All right, so I took the plastic off of it, of course, and this is what it comes with: instructions, installation kit, and the actual piece of glass. So I'm going to read the instructions, but I'm pretty sure you clean the surface, and then I'll read the instructions, and then we'll go from there. All right, so this is what's in the installation kit. They have a cleaning wipe and they have a dust removal sticker. So what it says to do is, I'm going to take the glass out. There's an adhesive strip on the top of it. You align it on the screen with the sticker before you peel the adhesive protection on the whole piece of glass off of it. Then you clean the screen again before you finalize installation. So I'm going to clean the screen once, then I'm going to get the glass out and apply that, and then we'll do the rest of it. So that's what's going on. All right, so here we go. I cleaned the screen with some lens cleaner and a anti-dust wipe, and then I am taking this out. And this says to use this tape. I pull the adhesive protection from the back. I gotta figure out which side. So, okay, so this is the side that goes over the top. I don't know if you can see, it says press across. So, I think it's got protective film on it right now. So, what happens is you take this and you align it where you want it to go. Oops, I'm hitting the buttons by accident. You line it up with the sticker, and then you lock it in place. So I got to pull the adhesive off of here, or the strip off of here. Taking that off. Okay, then this goes up here. We get it to where we want it to set, and that is some fine adhesive. Not what the hell, man. Okay, so as you can tell, I got it running because I wanted it. It's like 100 degrees here in South Louisiana, so I didn't want to be miserable on doing it. But that adhesive on that tape is something good. So it said to get it where you want it to be and then stick it down. So there you go. So I got it in place where I want it to go. And then once I get it like that, I clean the screen first, then I put this on, and as you can tell, it's got a protective film on the back, but it said it's not gonna attach totally, but you can see that it's protective, and it's got a little edge that's still showing all the way around, but I got it pretty even on both sides. So the next step they said to do was to pull this up, and they said to wipe it again, but I have wiped it multiple times and cleaned it, and I have not touched it. So we're gonna go with this. And then they said just let it swing down, plop. And then they said to mark it with an X to get it to adhere. And then you work from the center out. So there you go. So you just work all the air out of it. And then you got your protection on there, and it should be adhering to the screen. So you got your tempered glass protective coating on your screen now. So there we go. Not too hard, and boom, you got protective coating on your screen. Press all the air out. That one's not coming off there too good, but there you go. That's all there is to it. I'm going to take the rest of the protective cover off and wipe it down one more time, and hopefully my wife is going to be happy. So there's the first customization of our brand new 2025 ST. Thank you and have a great day.